In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards between columns in Basecamp. We'll walk through two clear ways to do it inside the card table, which is Basecamp's Kanban-style board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update a card's status on your workflow board, whether you're working at a glance or deep inside a card's details. Let's start with the most visual method, drag and drop. Open the card table inside your Basecamp project so you can see your columns and cards. Take a moment to locate the card you want to move. When you've found it, click and hold the card. While holding, drag it over to the column where you want it to live. As you hover over a new column, you'll usually see a highlight or a placement indicator showing where the card will land. Release your mouse to drop it in that new column. That's it. The card's status is now updated on the board, so anyone watching the project can see that change right away. If you need to fine-tune its position within the column, you can drag it up or down to reorder it. If you let go outside a column, nothing will move, so just try again and make sure the drop target is highlighted before releasing. Now, if you're already inside a card reviewing its details, there's a quick alternative that doesn't require going back to the full board. Open the card you want to move. In the card view, look for the option or drop-down to move it to another column. It may be labeled something like Move to or Column. Select that control, then choose the target column from the list. As soon as you confirm, the card will jump straight into that column on the board. This is especially handy when you've just updated the description, added a comment, or attached a file, and you want to advance the work without changing screens. After moving it, you can return to the card table to see it in its new spot, and, if needed, adjust its order within the column by dragging. Both methods do the same thing. They change the card's placement on your board, which reflects its current stage in your process. Nothing inside the card is lost or changed. Comments, files, and history all stay intact. If you have trouble finding a card, use search or filters to narrow things down and make sure you have permission to edit the board. Choose whichever method fits your workflow in the moment. Drag and drop for quick visual updates, or the in-card option when you're already working inside the card.